At this time, I'm going to introduce you to my business manager, Victor, and we can go over some of those issues with you.
Number one tip is do not fall behind. Number two is keep track of everything as much as possible. Number three is write everything down, and whether it's manually or whether it's online. I would suggest to you is number one, set up your business account. From there, you deposit all your revenue. From there, you write your rent, you write your inventory costs, your cost of doing business. After that, you're gonna have something that's left over. From there, you transfer that over to your personal account. Once it hits your personal account, I want you to take out 30% of that and put it into your savings account. You're gonna leave that in there for the year. But now it's not a true savings account. What it means is you're saving up your tax money. The leftover that is in your savings account goes into your retirement account. That's for the future Michelle. That's the way you do it.
For a single booth runner, one thing that I found that works for me is after I've used a color, I just rip the top off where it gives me the number, and I throw that into a little basket inside my cabinet, so when it's time to go buy, I just repurchase those things.
That's great advice.
A lot of times I see stylists do this too. If you have two boxes of the same color, a lot of times we'll leave the flap open on the one that's open so you don't open two boxes of the same color.
Makes sense.
Old school, face-to-face, in-person marketing. So that means you taking your business cards, maybe a menu, and going out to the community. People that you feel compelled that you would want to do.
What would be some tips that you would give her to do something like that?
Some of the things that I like to do is go out and find the clients exactly that I'm looking for. So let's start with real estate agents. My advice to you is to go out, look for these real estate agents, because on a regular basis, they have moms coming in, wives coming in. And so for you, it's important to have those clients that are high profile clients or high visibility clients.
With prices being displayed, it makes it really difficult to increase your prices because it's a client coming in and I see this, I only want to pay this price, not a penny more. And there's a little bit of a pay structure or price increase structure that Victor has taught me. So if you want to explain to her how that works.
We implement a system where we keep the prices for the old clients exactly the same. For new clients, we raise the price. And for clients we haven't met yet, we charge the new price that you give yourself a raise on, right? Your menu, it should never display your old client prices. It should only display your new client prices.
So the old clients actually feel like they're getting a discount then.
Exactly.
And how does a person that's a booth renter currently, there's a big fear that comes with what you're telling her to do. Like she's saying okay, but I can tell like she's fearful. How do you shake that, I guess?
So Olga, there's nothing you have to fear with raising prices. Let's take the life cycle of any client, right? So an old client would be considered somebody that's with you for 5 years plus. But let's look at it. They're gonna move, they're gonna get married, they're gonna have babies, they're gonna get divorced, change a job, whatever it may be, right? So those clients already know how much you charge them. It's the new clients that haven't been to you, don't know what you charge. So let's just diminish and take away all that fear.
This space, however big or small it may be, is all about the customer. It has nothing to do with you, right? So me as the customer, I see your dog, I see your husband, I see a lot of personal touches. And I did the same thing when I was younger. And now I put them inside of a cabinet or somewhere where they're not visible to the client because I really want the client to feel like it's all about them.